Get ready for lots of fun, excitement, and RC action. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best RC crawlers 2026, top 5 picks for every budget. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 on our list of the best RC crawlers of 2026 is the incredible Cross RC EMO X5. A premium crawler built for serious off-road enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance. Priced between $600 and $750, the EMO X5 is designed for drivers who want competition-level capability, extreme durability, and advanced engineering. Its powerful brushless motor system delivers massive torque and ultra-smooth throttle control, making it easier to conquer steep climbs, technical rock sections, and challenging terrain with precision. One of the biggest advantages of the EMO X5 is its heavy-duty construction. Featuring a reinforced metal drivetrain, full-time 4-wheel drive, and high-strength components throughout, this crawler is built to handle punishment that would quickly damage lower-end models. The large-scale platform also provides excellent stability and traction, helping the vehicle maintain control over obstacles where smaller crawlers often struggle. With premium features like locking differentials, a 2-speed transmission, and outstanding low-speed control, the Cross RC EMO X5 delivers a realistic and highly capable crawling experience. If you're looking for one of the most advanced and durable RC crawlers available in 2026, the Cross RC EMO X5 is a machine built to push the limits of off-road performance. Number 4. The legendary Axial SCX10 III, a crawler widely considered the gold standard in the RC hobby. Priced between $380 and $500, the SCX10 III is designed for enthusiasts who want the perfect balance of performance, durability, and realistic scale appearance. Available in highly detailed body styles such as the Jeep CJ7 and Ford Bronco, it delivers an authentic off-road experience both on the trail and on display. What makes the SCX10 III stand out is its advanced engineering. Features like portal axles, a rugged steel chassis, and a highly capable suspension system provide excellent ground clearance and control over challenging terrain. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, deep mud, steep climbs, or water crossings, this crawler is built to handle demanding conditions with confidence. The driving experience is smooth, predictable, and remarkably realistic, making it one of the most enjoyable trail rigs on the market. If you're ready to step into serious RC crawling and want a vehicle that can perform for years while offering endless upgrade potential, the Axial SCX10 III remains one of the best investments you can make in 2026. Number 3. The Redcat Racing Everest-10, one of the best budget-friendly 1/10 scale crawlers available today. With a price range of just $160 to $190, the Everest-10 offers incredible value for anyone looking to enter the world of serious RC rock crawling without spending a fortune. What makes this crawler stand out is its impressive climbing ability. Featuring a highly articulated suspension, durable aluminum suspension links, and a powerful high-torque motor, it can tackle rocks, steep inclines, and rough terrain with surprising confidence. While its design is more focused on performance than scale realism, the Everest-10 excels where it matters most: crawling capability. The flexible chassis and excellent wheel articulation help maintain traction over obstacles that challenge many more expensive models. It's also beginner-friendly, easy to maintain, and offers plenty of upgrade opportunities as your skills grow. If you're looking for maximum crawling performance at an affordable price, the Redcat Racing Everest-10 remains one of the smartest RC crawler purchases you can make in 2026. Number 2. Taking the number 2 spot on our list of the best RC crawlers of 2026 is the Traxxas TRX-4M, the ultimate mini crawler for value, performance, and portability. Priced between $150 and $170, the TRX-4M brings many of the features that made the full-size TRX-4 famous into a compact and highly capable 1/18th scale platform. Despite its smaller size, this crawler is packed with premium features, including factory-installed oil-filled shocks, highly detailed clipless body designs, and smooth electronics that provide excellent control on technical terrain. One of its standout features is crawl mode, which improves downhill braking and helps maintain control on steep descents, making challenging obstacles easier to navigate. The compact size allows you to enjoy realistic crawling almost anywhere, whether it's in your backyard, on local trails, or during outdoor adventures. It's small enough to fit in a backpack, but capable enough to deliver a genuine rock crawling experience. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-transport crawler that offers outstanding performance right out of the box, the Traxxas TRX-4M is one of the best RC values available in 2026. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot on our list of the best RC crawlers of 2026 is the Axial SCX24. The undisputed king of microscale crawling. With a price range of just $100 to $130, the SCX24 delivers an incredible RC crawling experience at a price almost anyone can afford. It's the perfect choice for beginners, casual hobbyists, and even experienced enthusiasts looking for fun in a compact package. Despite its tiny 1/24th scale size, the SCX24 comes equipped with full-time 4-wheel drive, solid axles, and impressive suspension articulation, allowing it to conquer obstacles far larger than you would expect. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. Whether you're crawling over rocks in the backyard or building an obstacle course indoors, using books, pillows, and household objects, the SCX24 provides hours of entertainment in almost any environment. Another major advantage is the huge aftermarket support. Thousands of upgrade parts are available, allowing owners to customize performance, appearance, and durability to create a truly unique crawler. If you're looking for the best combination of affordability, fun, upgrade potential, and proven performance, the Axial SCX24 remains the number 1 RC crawler choice for 2026. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.